How to change your default browser in Windows 11. If you've updated your PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11, you may have noticed that when you click on a link for a website, a PDF document, or a variety of other file types, you will now be sent directly to Microsoft's Edge browser. If you don't want Edge to be your default browser, here's how to switch the default. I'm using Google Chrome for this example, but this should work with any browser that you have installed on your system. First of all, you have to go to Settings, Apps, and then to Default Apps. Under Set Defaults for Applications, either scroll down to where your preferred browser is listed or type the name in the Search Apps field. You'll see a list of browser-related files, and under each file name, the app with which it is currently associated. In Windows 11, you can't simply change your default browser. With a single click, you have to change the assigned browser for every specific file type. One more thing, if you do open Edge for any reason, you will get the expected pop-up urging you to return to recommended browser settings. If our video was useful for you, please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe.